Hi, my name's Katie and I'm a travel agent that specializes in Disney and theme park vacations. And today I'm here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort and I'm going to do an in-depth room tour of a standard 2-queen room in the garden wings. This particular one is in the Rancho section of Coronado Springs. So this is not in the Gran Destino Tower. These are one of the standard rooms in the garden wings. Here's a look at Coronado Springs Resort. On the bottom of the map, you'll see Gran Destino Tower and El Centro. That is the hub of this resort, the main area, including most of the dining and check-in. Then you have 3 garden wing sections, which are 2 to 3 story buildings full of hotel rooms with exterior entry hallways. These sections are called casitas, rancheros, and cabanas. The main pool at the dig site is in the middle of the resort, and there are quiet pools in each of the 3 garden wings. The bus loop does run throughout the resort. The room I stayed in, again, was in the Ranchero section, which is as far away as possible from Gran Destino Tower and El Centro. It took me a good 10 to 12 minute walk to get to the front. If that's not for you and you want a closer building to El Centro and Gran Destino Tower, you can get a preferred location room. That room is going to be the same setup as what I show you, but it is going to be in one of the closest buildings to the main areas. If you're interested in other information about this resort, I have a full in-depth tour of the resort itself, and I also have an in-depth tour of a room in the Gran Destino Tower. This is room number 7607. It's in building 7B in the Rancheros section of Coronado Springs Resort. It has 2 queen beds. It can sleep 4 people plus 1 infant under 3 years old. This particular room is a corner unit, and I am now going to show you an in-depth tour of everything there is to enjoy in this room. Here's a look at what the exterior entry hallways look like. I was in a standard view room overlooking one of the quiet pools. You can pay extra for a water view room where you'll be overlooking the lagoon. These buildings had both staircases and elevators to get to your floor. They were 2 or 3 story buildings throughout the resort. All right, let's start at the front door. You can see that this is exterior entry. All of the garden wing buildings are exterior entry, or motel style, if you will. The tower is interior entry because it is a tower. Got the deadbolt. You can open this door with your Magic Band, with your phone, with your My Magic Mobile on your Apple Watch, or with a key card you can get from the front desk. If you have one of the first 3 things, you don't even have to go to the front desk, you can mobile check in. Over here, we have got the thermostat. Then pivoting, we have a nice chair, 2 windows because this is a corner unit. You've got these like blackout curtains and these like little shades. It's a nice little spot. Then turning, we have, let's get just a quick look here. Very nice. All right. Got a K-Cup coffee machine. You have decaf, English breakfast tea, and 50th anniversary Disney blend, the fixins, your cups up here, your ice bucket, and you've got some storage there. Down here you have your beverage cooler, the standard beverage cooler in many Disney hotels. As you can see, like, you probably don't want to have like raw meat in there or anything like that. Then the rest of this desk area, it's pretty long. And throughout the room you have these nice plugs, which is great. You've got a chair, so you can get some desk work in there. And then you've got 6 drawers here. Oh, that one's deeper, okay. Those are nice. You have your take-along guide to the magic, which comes in every Disney hotel room. Some enhanced cleaning information. And a remote. Trash can, recycling, full-length mirror, which is very nice. Then we turn. We have 2 queen beds. First of all, they've got under-bed storage. We love to see that. And the floor here is like vinyl or whatever, so it's not carpet. That's nice. Easy to keep clean. Lots and lots of pillows. Comfy Disney beds, Disney pillows. Then you have got the center console, the drawer there, and there is a safe. That is a large safe. That is the largest safe I have ever seen in a Disney room. Maybe because this is a conference hotel. Again, you've got plugs, switches. So you've got lights on either side here. And then you actually have a ceiling fan and a light. Oh no, the light's off. There you go. Then you even have these little reading lights here that you can you direct it? Well, oh, yep. That's fun. There's not a little table on the other sides, just the middle. And then you have this cute artwork, 3 caballeros artwork, which are kind of the characters for this resort. And there's the 2 beds. All right. Now for the restroom, you have this sliding barn door, which is really cute. So both of these slide open. And then we have a split bath. All right. So, pretty sizable there. We've got dual sinks. Big lighted mirror. Got some products. This is a moderate resort. You get some extra products than you would see at a value. You have got this lighted makeup mirror. And we've got storage space under here. There's a hair dryer in there. There's a hair dryer. More storage over here. Cabinet. Tissues. Then you've got the closet here. Extra pillow and blankets. Ironing board. Luggage rack. A steam iron. More storage. So that's nice. Pivot around here. This is another sliding door that locks. The big barn door does not lock. Toilet, towels, shower, towels, tub. So you do have a tub, which is nice. It's got the sliding doors. And I say a tub is nice if you are traveling with kids. It's nice that you have a tub. But it does have this lip thing that I feel like if you have young kids and you're giving them a bath, like you can't sit on that. So that seems annoying. And then you've got your in-shower products, a little shelf. It's a nice shower head. Got like a dual shower head. Then you have a clothesline option. Pivot back around. And that's the room. After spending 3 nights in this room, I truly enjoyed the amenities in this room. I liked the space, I liked the vibe. There was definitely enough space for 1 or 2 people. I think you could fit 4 people in here and be much more comfortable than in some of the smaller value rooms. I think this is excellent for adult travelers. You have the desk area, you have the coffee in room, and just the vibe is a little bit more classic adult without paying that deluxe luxury price. I think the bathroom was very nice. I fully enjoyed my stay in this room. The only issue that I had was the location. It was very far from the front desk. Personally, I will not be staying at this resort again without a preferred location room or a room in Gran Destino Tower. Reminder to check out my other videos about both a room in Gran Destino Tower and this resort as a whole. Spoiler alert, I really like this resort as a whole, and I really like Gran Destino Tower. I'd recommend this standard garden wing room for any set of adults traveling, solo couples, adult friends, family, and families with older kids. I think that parents and teens would enjoy this room. I don't recommend this room and really this resort for families with young children. Alright, that's the room. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyable. I hope it is helping you make a decision about your Disney World vacation. I am a travel agent and working with me is free of charge. If you are interested in going to Disney World, I would love to help you. If you're interested in going anywhere, I would love to be your travel agent. Again, all of my services are free. You can contact me at the information on your screen. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a magical vacation.